Now, I said to you before about the buses, the big bus loads that are going to rock up. Oh Lord, this is more like it. So everybody's queuing up here to pick up fares. So this is how it gets a little bit later in the day. If, just in case you didn't believe me, will you look at this? Wow, look at this. This is more like it. Everybody's out waiting to pick up a fare. This is madness. I'm going to go through here. Hello, how are you? Xin chào. There were 3 coaches. There's one pulling away. Oh, there's endless coaches. Look, 2 more rocking up. Lady bringing more life vests. Here's another busload coming in. Wow, there's a license to print money. That's okay. So I said in the earlier video how busy it gets. And I was just a little early, an hour or so before it kicks off. That's what it's like. That's what you're going to see if you come here from Hanoi on a bus tour. Yeah, there's another group here, look. So this is another landing dock. Okay, yeah, these are the girls that have got the cameras. They go out on the boats with the cameras and they'll take a photograph of you. And then they'll sell the photographs. So this girl's got the photos. Hello, xin chào. And how much are the photos? $1. So the girls here are all waiting. They've got their photographs of various tours. So they're the girls that you'll meet on boats out on the TAM COC sort of waterways here, and they'll take photographs and try and meet you at the end. You don't have to buy them, but a lot of tourists do buy them. It's $1 a photo. So we've had a little walk through TAM COC. And we thought we'd take you out into the greenery, the lush greenery, and show you what TAM COC's all about. So Michelle and I are going to take a walk down, and we're going to put the drone up. So this video is going to be some beautiful drone shots, maybe a little talking, but I hope you're going to enjoy it. Hello, little doggy. Oh, you are enjoying the sun, aren't you? So we're just the other side of the lake now. And there's a lovely walk along here that goes out into the rice paddies. We thought we'd take you along because I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And you can let me know what you think. We came down here yesterday in the heavy rain and it still looked nice in the rain, didn't it, Michelle? Yeah. But I noticed there were heaps of papaya trees also growing alongside the rice paddies. Well, these are not rice paddies. These are, I think there are rice paddies out there, but there are lily pads. So I'm guessing these rocks sometimes have water. The water must come up here because they're undercut a little bit like they are on the boat tours. So, and quite often there are homes, people set up their homes in these areas. Whoops, barbed wire. We also noticed that Out here, there's some homestays. So there are actually some homestays, hotels, through this little archway. And this would be a lovely place to stay. And we're in the town centre, but this is only, 5 minutes walk.
Oh, well, look at the ducks.
So many ducks. Now, there are also goats up on these hills, so you can often see goats climbing on the hills. Maybe when we get the drone up, we might be able to see some goats. But there are loads of ducks here. Good day. And all the way down this long road, there are backpacker hostels and homestays and hotels. So many places, so many options out here. It's actually quite nice to be a little bit away from the city centre or the town centre. Ice cream, Kem Trang Tien. So, since 1958. So, I was saying before, Michelle, that Tam Coc, and what's the other area that's very popular? Trang An. Trang An. This is where people come when they're talking about coming to Ninh Binh. They're not going to Ninh Binh. This is the province of Ninh Binh. So this is the area most 90% of the tourists are coming. That's amazing because we're in time to see the kids swimming. Now they're doing what all kids tend to do during their holiday times. Diving off the bridge into the water, 2 at a time. So here are the boats, the tour boats. You can see ladies rowing with the feet. Hello.
Somebody coming back now.
Good job, man. Hey, thank you, bro. Bye-bye.
Bird take flight in the sky with no map and no compass for thousands of miles, and just glide through the air on a wing and a prayer till the day he finally arrives. When the rain comes out of the clouds, it makes no decision to fall to the ground. His fate was ordained when the time came to rain. There's nowhere to go now but down. Just follow the road. The blood in your veins like a track for the trains. The heart always aims for the place where you belong. Just follow the road.
Okay, so that's today's little walk. We're not going to go further down because there are more open green fields down there, but you get the gist. I've got some drone shots, I've got the boys jumping off the bridge, The previous video was a good look around Tam COC if you're just interested in the township here and what it has to offer. In the meantime, Michelle and I, we've worked up a thirst again, so we're probably going to head back, have ourselves a drink and a little chill. I might even jump in and get a shower first. Love to you all from Tam COC, Ninh Binh, Vietnam. We'll see you next time. Take care.
Bye.
It's a little rolled up banh trang. It's like a little Vietnamese pancake. Oh yeah. I've got to really squeeze. Just to get through the gap. Wow. Man, look at the view.